In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add capital in Zoho Books. Let's dive into the process of recording capital using the banking module, step by step, to ensure that your financial records are accurate and up to date. First, we begin by navigating to the banking module. When you're in Zoho Books, take your attention to the left sidebar, where you'll find a variety of options. Among them, locate and click on the option labeled Banking. This is the central hub where you can manage and view all bank-related activities in Zoho Books. Once you're in the banking section, the next task is to select the appropriate bank account. This would be the account where your capital has been deposited. You'll see a list of your available bank accounts, so take a moment to carefully identify the correct one. Selecting the right account is crucial, as this ensures the capital contribution is accurately recorded for future reference. With the correct bank account chosen, the next step is to add a new transaction. To do this, find and click on the Add Transaction button. This will present you with several options, but for our purpose today, you'll want to select Owner's Contribution. This option specifically caters to recording capital that you, the owner, are contributing to your business. Now that you're preparing to enter the transaction details, let's ensure everything is filled out correctly. Start by selecting Owner's Equity from the From Account drop-down menu. This choice is essential because it reflects that the funds are being contributed by you as owner, enhancing the overall equity of your business. Next, proceed to enter the exact capital amount. Accuracy here is key, as it directly affects your business's financial representations. Then, provide a brief yet informative description. This could be something straightforward like initial capital investment. Adding a description helps keep everything clear and organized, allowing anyone who reviews these records later to quickly understand the purpose of the entry. Once all the details have been carefully input, the final step is to save the transaction. You'll do this by simply clicking on the Save button, which finalizes the recording of your capital contribution into Zoho Books. By saving the transaction, you've successfully updated your financial records, reflecting the increase in capital. That's it. You've now added capital in Zoho Books using the banking module, and your financial records are more complete than ever before. Thanks for following along, and don't hesitate to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher or encounter similar tasks in the future. Until next time, happy bookkeeping!